your chip at the server box. EnteR 6.0 awaits you. System online. Power level rising. Input received. Processing. Output pending. System armed. System activated. Enter the algorithm.
You settle into your seat. Lights sweep across you as the moving heads awaken, cutting through the darkness with perfect precision. A low rumble grows. Smoke drifts in around your legs, creeping upward as the chamber seals you in. Welcome inside EnteR 6.0. A system that reads your presence, measures your pulse, and prepares you for transition. The lights tighten their focus. The smoke thickens. The energy builds inside your chest. Hold steady. Your descent into the unknown begins now.